Ito na po ang pawang katotohanan lamang. Walang kinikilingan at walang pinapanigan. Sa totoo lamang po tayo. Pwede na po mag-apply ng temporary interim release si President Duterte sa kaniyang pag-uwi sa Pilipinas sa araw ng kaniyang 80th birthday. Panoorin po natin ang video ito.
To note about this hearing today is that Rodrigo Duterte is entitled to apply for interim release pending any future trial. He's 79 years old. He turns 80 this month. He did appear to be napping during this initial appearance remotely, and so indeed we expect the defence to apply for him to be released temporarily. His daughter, Sarah, has accompanied him here to The Hague. She was sitting in the front row of the public gallery just a few feet away from me. We are expecting to hear from her, in fact, later on this afternoon.
Magugulantang kayo. PRDD, bring back home soon. Ito na po ang inahangad nyo. Ito na po ang tinik at sakit sa inyong lalamunan. Humanda na at gising Pilipinas will bring back home soon.